Examples of tools, products and services. Onpassive's tools, and their related technologies, make up a large part of the ecosystem. Some of the tools and services available through Onpassive include advertising, to drive business and attract customers. Artificial intelligence (AI), the backbone of Onpassive's automation systems. Calendar schedule, integrated event scheduling platform. Chat, a communication platform. Contact manager, for bulk email and advertising. Crowdfunding, a platform for creating a crowdfund account personal to the customer. Daily funnel, a new funnel every day to provide traffic to your site. Digital marketing, a platform using AI to digitally advertise. Domain name, a name for your site, chosen by you and branded to you. Email marketing, campaigns to brand our customers. Flexible wallets, digital wallets to accommodate finances. Crypto, fiat, bank cards, etc. Give Back Fund, a voluntary fund set up for giving charitable donations. Go Founders, the community of Onpassive leader founders. Guaranteed targeted visitors, website visitors targeted by interest or market IP tracker, a tool that provides a host name, location, and other info about an IP address. Liquid hosting, liquid responsive designs, website layout and hosting design that automatically adjusts to screen resolution and provides scalability. Live events, communication events, like webinars or video hosting, hosted in real time. Marketplace, a single place to access and purchase IT commodities and services. Mass bulk mailing, ability to send email to large groups in a single mailing. Mass marketing campaigns, campaigns that appeal to an entire market. Merchants and cards, bank accounts with cards that accept payments through them. Millionaires Club, the club with only Onpassive millionaires as its members. Multi-businesses, the ability to host multiple businesses under a single umbrella. Office Abroad, 1,000 total global leaders is based on attaining certain criteria. Onpassive Webinar, Onpassive's proprietary webinar platform. Payment transfers, the ability to transfer Onpassive funding internally and externally. Print Shop, tools for creating marketing materials. Private Inbox, an inbox that is personal to the customer's branding. Residual income for life, income generated perpetually as long as an account is active. Screen captures, an ability to capture screen images in real time. SEO, search engine optimization is done for your websites for better organic traffic. SMS and MMs, plain text and text with media texting capability. Support for all, tech support is available to all buyers and resellers. Trim URL, Onpassive's proprietary URL shortening tool. Triple entry bonus, another bonus that is built into the compensation plan. Video chat, face-to-face internet conversation via webcams and dedicated software. Video conference, participants in different areas able to communicate in sound and vision. Video mail, an email message with a video clip attached. Video marketing, a marketing strategy that integrates video into marketing campaigns. Viral sharing, a marketing strategy that is spread person to person via social media. VPN, tool to extend a private network across a public network and maintain security. Website builder, tools that allow website. Where we'll find all this in one place. Onpassive, check the company out today.